start with our lesson for today. Our lesson will be about, we will be talking about light energy. Okay, I want you to repeat after me. We are going to study this morning about light energy. Okay, so light energy. Light energy, what do you mean by light energy? Okay, we have here in the picture, we have a light bulb, the sun, and the fire. Okay, they are both produce light, right? But before that, there are many different forms of energy that is or that are available on Earth. Okay, so what are these type of energy? Okay, so first we have sound energy. Okay, these different forms of energy are available here on Earth. So first we have the sound energy. Okay, look at the picture. When we say sound energy, that has something to do with music, right? What you can hear, that is sound energy. And then we also have heat energy. Heat energy, where can we get heat? Okay, these are types of energy that we can get heat. Do you know what is heat? Okay. Okay, wait first. Record already. Okay, so again, what are the different forms of energy? Okay, so again, we have the sound energy. Sound energy, we are talking again about what we can hear all around us. That is sound energy. Okay, and then we also have the heat energy. Do you know what is the heat energy? Okay, and then we also have the wind energy. Okay, and then we have the electrical energy, and then we have the light energy. Okay, this morning we are going to study only the light energy. Okay, so what is light energy? Okay, do you have any idea what is light? Okay, light, what do you mean by light? Okay, light energy, or in Thai, what is it?
พลังงานแสงนะคะนักเรียน
Okay, light energy, it is a form of energy that enables us to see. Okay, if there is no light, for example, in your bedroom, if there is no light, we cannot see everything around us. Okay, so when we say light energy, it is an energy that enables us to see. Okay, and then it is not a matter. It is not a matter. We cannot feel it. We can only see it. Okay, and then it is something that we need or use all the time. Okay, so without light energy, it is hard for us to live. Okay, can you imagine if we cannot see, or if there is no light? Okay, it's dark, right? So we cannot see everything around us. Okay, and then it comes from different types of sources. Okay, we can get light energy from many different sources. Okay, so what are these sources? We have 3 types of light energy sources. Okay, so what are these type of light energy? source of light energy. Okay, I want you to take note. Please write. Number one, we have the natural source of light or natural sources of light. Okay, then we also have the bioluminescence. Bioluminescence, okay? Or these are those light from living organism. And then number three, we have the artificial source or artificial sources. Okay, again, these are the three types of sources. Where can we get light? Okay, so these are the three: natural, bioluminescence, and then artificial. Okay, someone is writing. I forgot to disable.
เดี๋ยวคุณครูบอกนะคะ แหล่งที่มานะคะของพลังงานแสงนะคะจะมีอยู่3ชนิดด้วยกันนะคะข้อที่1ก็คือแสงจากธรรมชาตินะคะนักเรียนสามารถเขียนลงไปโน้ตลงไปในสมุดได้นะคะข้อที่2คือแสงทางชีวภาพนะคะก็คือแสงจากสิ่งมีชีวิตนะคะข้อที่3ก็คือแสงประดิษฐ์ก็คือแสงที่เกิดขึ้นจากมนุษย์นะคะเช่นแสงไฟฟ้าแสงจากเทียนหรือตะเกียงต่างๆนั่นเองนะคะเพราะฉะนั้นพลังงานแสงนะคะจะมีแหล่งที่มาจาก3ชนิดด้วยกันนะคะ
Okay, so let us discuss each of its sources. Okay, number one, we have the natural sources of light. Okay, when we say natural source of light, these are the things in nature that has the ability to emit light. Okay, for example, what you can see in our environment or outside, okay, in the surroundings, that has the ability to give off light or to give us light. For example, we have the sun, okay? So these are natural source of light. And then we also have stars, right? And then we also have the moon. Okay, these examples are the natural sources of light. Okay, do you get it? These are the things in our environment that emit light or that give us light. Okay, these are from the nature. Okay, so we are calling it natural sources of light. Okay, number two, we can also get light out from this. We call it the bioluminescence. Okay, bioluminescence. Okay, from the word bio. Okay, this one. From the word bio, it means life. Okay, and then luminescence, that is light. Okay, so these are the living organisms that have the ability to produce light. Okay, we can also get light out from the living organisms. What do you mean by living organisms? It can be an animal, okay? Animal, insects, or other sea creature. Okay, so why? Why can they give us light? This is the effect of certain chemical reactions within the body of the organism. Okay, so what are those examples of animals? Number one, we have the fireflies. Okay, have you seen firefly? Firefly, by the way, what is it in Thai?
In Thai หิ่งห้อยนะคะนักเรียน
Okay, heng hoi. Okay, so this type of insect or an organism can give its own light. Okay, so they are called the bioluminescence. What else? We also have, do you know what's this? Jellyfish. Okay, jellyfish. Jellyfish can also give their own light. Okay, they can under the sea, they can produce their own light. Okay, what else? We also have the what we call the glow worm. Okay, do you know what is a worm?
หนอนนะคะนั่น
None. Okay. That is, these examples are what we call the bioluminescence. Okay, not only the sun, not only the natural sources of light, but we can also get light out from the animals or the living organisms. That is the bioluminescence. Okay, please don't forget. Again, number one, we have the natural source. This one, and then number two, we have the bioluminescence. Okay, these are the light that is coming from animals. Okay, next we also have artificial light sources. We can also get light out from those equipment or objects that are man-made or artificial. Those that are made by people, made by human beings. Do you have any idea what are those type of light sources that we can get? Okay, so we have here example, light bulb, right? Okay, we can get light out from the light bulb, and this light bulb is made up of, is made by people, right? And then we also have candle light. Okay, we can produce light out from the candle. Okay, and again, this is man-made or made by human being or people. And then we also have lamp. Okay, lamp. This is usually used on your bedrooms, right? So these are example of artificial light sources. Okay. Okay. So again, what are those types of energy sources? First, natural source of light.
โอเคแหล่งที่หนึ่งนะคะจากเป็นแสงประเภทที่หนึ่งแสงจากธรรมชาตินะคะนักเรียน
Okay. Number two, we have the bioluminescence.
เป็นแสงทางชีวภาพนะคะเกิดจากสิ่งมีชีวิตนั่นเอง
Okay. And then number three, we have the artificial source.
อย่างที่สามนะคะก็คือแสงประดิษฐ์นะคะแสงที่มนุษย์สร้างขึ้นนะคะ
Okay. Okay, did you get it? Okay, are we still okay there? Do you get it? Please show me your thumbs up. Show me your thumbs up, guys. Do you get it?
เข้าใจไหมคะนักเรียนใครไม่เข้าใจยกมือถามได้นะคะ
Okay, Tong Chai. Okay, Mai? Okay, so let us proceed. Okay, so out from this, out from this type of energy sources. Okay, wait guys, sorry. Okay, so out from these different types of sources, we are now, or they are what we call objects that are classified into. Okay, so we call these objects luminous and non-luminous objects. Okay, again, out from these types of light sources, objects were classified into luminous and non-luminous objects. Okay, so these are two types of objects. Okay, so what is a luminous object? Okay. Again, a luminous object. It is any object that gives off light of its own. Okay? So this type of object, they can give us light on their own. They can produce light on their own. Okay? So what do we call that type of object? That is a luminous object. Okay? Next, the non-luminous object. It is an object that doesn't emit light of its own or reflect light from a luminous object. Okay, so we call it non-luminous object. Why? Because they cannot give its own light. Okay, so is that clear? Non-luminous cannot give own light. But when we say luminous, it can give its own light. Okay, now let's have an example. Have here, first object, do you know what is it? This is a flashlight, right? Again, if an object can give its own light, we call it luminous. If the object cannot give its own light, that is non-luminous. Okay, this object, what about this object? Flashlight. What is it? Is it luminous or non-luminous? What do you think? Okay, flashlight, that is luminous object. Okay, why? Because luminous object or flashlight can give its own light. Why or how? Through a battery. Okay, if we turn it on, it can give us light, right? Okay, next example. What is it? This is a yoga ball. A ball. Okay, do you think, can it give its own light? Does it light? What do you think? So what type of object is this? This is a non-luminous object, right? Why? It does not or it doesn't give us light. Okay, do you get it? Next example, next object we have here. What's this? Watch, right? But this type of watch can give us light. Okay, therefore, what type of object is this? Number 3. Is it luminous or non-luminous? What do you think? Okay, the answer is luminous. Okay, do you get it? But if the watch cannot give light, that is non-luminous. But this example, it can give us light, right? So that is luminous object. Do you get it? Okay, what about this one? A moon. What do you think? Is it luminous or non-luminous? Can it give us light? Yes or no? Yes, it can give us light, but a moon is not luminous object. Okay, why? Moon is non-luminous object because moon doesn't emit its own light. It cannot have its own light. Okay, so where does it get light? It gets light from the sunlight. Okay, this one. Okay, do you get it? The moon cannot have its own light if there is no sun. Okay, so again, when we say luminous, these are the objects that can emit its own light. So that is, for example, that is the sun, right? And then non-luminous object, we have the moon. They only get light from the sun. Okay, that's why at night, the moon reflects light into the earth. Okay, do you get it? Okay, will you add something? Okay, again. Okay. Again, moon is not a luminous object, non-luminous object, because it cannot give us its own light. They get light from where? From the sun. Okay, do you get it? Do you have any question? Okay. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear? I will turn on your microphones now. Okay. That is our lesson for this morning. Is that clear? Do you understand?
เข้าใจไหมคะ Okay.
Do you have any question? Okay. If you have no question, I will be the one to ask. Are you ready? Before that, let us summarize everything. Summarize everything. Again, light energy. What is a light energy? It is an energy that enables us to see. Okay, without light, we cannot see the things around us. Okay, so that is light energy. And then there are different sources of light. So what are those type of sources? Number one, we have natural source of light, right? Did you copy that one? Number two, we have the bioluminescence. Okay, what are bioluminescence? These are those organisms or animals, insects, or living organisms that can give us light, right? And then number three, we have, what is the number three? That is artificial light source. Okay, do you get it? Artificial. These are those lights that are man-made. Okay, man-made. What are those examples? We have the light bulb, the flashlight. What else? And the lamp. ใช่ไหมคะ Oh, Rio. Where is Rio? Is Rio here? Okay. Prem, do you get it? Do you understand? Okay. Angto. Is Angto here? Okay. And then we have two types of objects, the luminous objects and the non-luminous objects. Okay. Luminous objects, these are those objects that give us light or that can give off its own light. Okay, number two, we have the non-luminous object. Non-luminous object, these are those objects that doesn't give off its own light. Okay, so that is all our lesson for today. Okay, now it's your turn. Let us answer the activity. Let's try to answer this. Okay. We still have 10 minutes more. I will turn on the microphones now. Let's try to answer this. Okay, this one. Okay, can you see it now? Microphone, okay.
เดี๋ยวให้นักเรียนช่วยกันตอบนะคะ
Okay.
ของเราภาษา
เปิดไม่ได้สักที
เรา
เด็กทั้งนั้นเลยนะคือเลย
ในของนักเรียนเขานะคะ
Identify what type of sources are the following.
เขาเห็นต้องทำการบ้านต้องแก้
Bioluminescence,
ดี
or is it artificial? Okay, number 1. What's this? A firefly.
อย่างพวกเรา
What type of source is this?
เหลือแล้ว
Please raise your hand if you know the answer. Number 1.
ตัวอะไรเรียนชอบดอกไม้มีอะไรบ้างไม่ชอบ
Can I hear?
ให้ครบเลยก็ได้นะ
Number 1.
ไม่วัน
มันแพงไม่หมดทุกอย่างเลยนะอะไรก็แพง
Number 1, what is it?
ซื้อปากกาไหมเนี่ยปากกา10 บาท
Okay, now number 1. What type of source is? Okay, remember, when the light comes from an organism or an animal, that is bioluminescence. Okay, and you understand? Number 1, that is Number 1 is bioluminescence.
อย่าเจ้านะ
ไม่ได้สอนเด็กขี้โกหกนะ
ไปกินขนม
Okay. Number 1, that is bioluminescence. Okay. You remember because you are going to answer this later. Okay, number 2 we have here. Flashlight. What do you think type of source? Flashlight.
number 2ที่ฉายไหนไหนคะที่ นี่ก็เป็นรูปประดิษฐ์
What is that? Again.
3 อย่าง
Or artificial. Okay, what's the answer? Anybody? Nana, what is the answer for number
ไฟฉายค่ะ อันไหนเอ่ย
Physical sources.
Again?
Physical
Okay, number 2, that is
sources.
artificial. Okay, number 2, artificial source. For number
ใช้ทำเป็นคุณนะคะอันนี้เป็นใช้ทำเป็นซอสเรียน
you write on your
เรียนเรื่องแสงเขาไม่ได้เรียนอันนี้
for today.
เงียบกันหน่อยเรียนทีละอย่างแน่
ไม่ต้องเขียนไว้สิ
ไม่เรียนไม่รู้เรื่องหรอก
ครูทำให้ตัวอย่างนะคะเรียน
ใครพูดวะเนี่ย
Correct answer on your for the number 3 for the type of object. What is the source of light? This is man-made, right? Human
เดี๋ยวครูส่งไลน์มาให้ทีหลัง
matches. So this is again artificial.
Physical sources.
Good. Then star. What type of source is this?
อันนี้ก็เนี่ย
What type of source? Number 4.
แล้วก็คุยกัน
Bioluminescence or
เรื่องสองออกเลยเอามาฉันจดไว้
Okay, please answer. You try to answer.
เป็นแบบนี้ไง
ดาวเป็นพลังงานที่ไหน
sources.
ลาทำแบบนี้ไม่ได้
Okay, these are coming from nature. This type of source is natural source. Okay, don't forget stars, moon, that are natural source. Okay. Natural source. Okay, later. Okay, and then for letter B.
อันนี้อ่ะเลขก่อน
We'll have 3 minutes more. Okay. For letter B, classify the following object. Is it luminous or non-luminous object? Okay, I have here example. Mirror. Can it
non-luminous
non? Good. So you write in the column non-luminous object. Very good. Okay, number 2, let's try this. It's about the fireworks.
luminous object
Luminous object. Yes, that's right. It can give off its own light. So you write
เสียงดังไปหน่อย
fireworks in the column luminous object.
luminous
Okay, good job. What about next one? Television. Television or TV. What do you think?
luminous object
Very good. That is a luminous object. Television. Yes, when you turn on the television, it can give off its own light. Okay. What about lightning? Do you know what is a lightning? Lightning, this one.
non-luminous object
Huh? Yes.
non-luminous object
Lightning, that is luminous object. Okay. Here. Okay. Again, moon. What about moon?
non-luminous
Good. So moon is non-luminous. Okay, so this will be your activity for today. You are going to answer this one. You write your answer on your notebook. Okay, you can write only your answer. For letter B, you can make a column like this. Luminous and column. Done.
number 8
Number 8. Okay, diamond. Oh, no. Number 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. CD. CD, this is a compact disc. Okay. Can it give off its own light? Disc.
luminous
What do you think? Okay, a compact disc does not give its own light. It only reflects light. Okay, so this is a non-luminous object. Okay, to write this word is non-luminous object. Okay, any more question? 1 minute more. We're going to end now. Okay, I'll give you this activity and you try to answer. Okay, write your answer on your notebook.
วันนี้มันช้าใครผ่านมา
Okay, any more questions? 1 minute more and our class will end. Do you get it? Do you get it? Okay. What about